All right, guys, so I'm pretty much going to start the video here. This is a 1977 Boston Whaler Montauk 17. Got it for 500 bucks a couple days ago. Transom solid, thankfully. Floors pretty much solid. Only soft spot was back here. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with that yet. Probably dig it up, fill it with some foam, see what kind of damage we got under there. The rest of the floor is solid. Sitting in a guy's yard. He hadn't touched it in 3 years. He was asking 1,000 bucks. I gave him 500, and he said take it away. So away I took. It should be pretty quick project. I'm gonna put a 140 Suzuki, small little leaning post, small center console. Keep it clean, keep it easy. What I'm gonna do, I've sanded down a lot of this Total Fair, the Total Boat Fairing compound. The guy had pretty much gone over a bunch of spots, but I'm gonna keep sanding down until everything's clean and smooth. He's got a bunch of little things like this that just need to be filled in more fully. I think should be a pretty smooth little project. Again, we're probably gonna do the 140 Suzuki 20-inch. This thing should scoot pretty good. And then probably like a black powder coated leaning post and a easy, nice little center console. Put probably a little 9-inch Simrad on it. Should scoot. All right, guys. I will keep you in the loop. Things look pretty good on it. I mean, the gel coat's okay. Except back there. Not sure if I'm gonna paint the sides, but I mean, it doesn't look too bad. It's not a bad looking little boat. So that's all my power cables and stuff like that. Ignore that. But so this is pretty much it. Let me know what you think.